guys, today we're going to be talking about Kirchoff's rules, and this is Gustav Kirchoff, physicist right here, and we're also going to be talking about circuits in series and parallel. So Kirchoff's rules is basically explaining how circuits work. So there's two rules. The junction rule states that any incoming current into a junction has to equal the current coming out of the junction. What this means is if you have some current going into like any intersection, these are called junctions where different wires meet, then the input current has to equal the output current. Very intuitive. Anything that comes in has to go out. Makes sense. And this is because this rule is based on the concept that electric charge cannot be created